Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study and understand physics. Start by mastering core concepts before diving into algebraic manipulations. Build intuition by linking equations to real situations and simple demonstrations. Prioritize understanding units, vectors, and conservation laws, then practice problems to apply ideas. Review errors promptly and repeat challenging topics using space sessions to transfer short-term recall into durable knowledge and calmer test performance and confidence. Adopt a consistent problem routine to reduce stress and increase success. Read the prompt carefully, list givens, and sketch the scenario before writing equations. Translate words into symbols, choose a strategy, and solve step by step while checking units. If stuck, simplify the problem or try a related example to spot patterns. Regularly revisit solved problems to deepen insight and make solving feel natural and satisfying. Mix active study methods to accelerate progress and keep learning engaging. Alternate focused practice sessions with brief reviews, and use flashcards for key formulas and concepts. Teach ideas to a friend or record yourself explaining motions and forces to spot weak points. Solve a variety of problems to build flexibility, and prioritize understanding over rote memorization so you can adapt knowledge to new situations and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.